Hey there, Germ readers. So our Uppercase box just came in, so we're just about to find out what our next read is going to be for next month.
The first step begins with you. Try something different, something new. You decide in spite of fear. You start now, you start here.
So first off, it already came with this super cute tote bag that has little books all over it. I love it. Alright, so here's our bag. So we've got stickers that match the tote bag. It's all compliments of book emoji, which is really cute. And our very own Uppercase sticker. Alright, ready for the book? Next month, for Germ Reads, we will be reading The Wrath and the Dawn by Renée Ahdieh? Don't know. And here's our signed book plate, which includes this scarf that was inspired by the book. So it has this scarf, it looks exactly like the cover. As always, we have our little handwritten note and list of everything that we got. So this is a retelling of 1001 Nights, and it seems really interesting. I'll put the blurb down below and go ahead and apologize for the fact that I will probably mispronounce everyone's name when we're talking about it. But I'm really excited to get started, and we will start reading this on July 1st. So I will see you all then.
Reach out and find your voice.